The batteries of the future won't just power cars, they could help power factories, data centers, renewable energy systems, and even entire electricity grids. And this September, I'm going to Barcelona to see some of these technologies for myself. On September 8th and 9th, Battery and Energy Storage Tech Europe 2026 will bring together companies and researchers working on the next generation of energy storage. And this isn't just another electric car battery show. One of the biggest questions I want to investigate is solid-state batteries. We've been hearing about them for years, promising more energy, better safety, and potentially much longer range. But how close are they really to large-scale production? And lithium may not be the only answer. I'll also be looking at alternatives such as sodium-ion batteries and flow batteries, technologies that could become particularly interesting when the goal isn't powering a car but storing huge amounts of renewable energy for hours. Then there's another challenge that's becoming impossible to ignore: data centers. Artificial intelligence requires enormous amounts of power, and new battery systems could play an important role in handling sudden peaks in electricity demand and keeping these facilities running reliably. But better batteries aren't only about chemistry. In Barcelona, I also want to see how companies are changing the way batteries are manufactured, monitored, and controlled, from digital twins and advanced battery management systems to technologies designed to detect problems before a battery fails. And eventually, every battery reaches the end of its first life. So recycling, second life applications, and recovering valuable materials will also be part of what I'll be looking for. But this video is only the beginning. Before BESTE 2026, I'll publish more videos taking a closer look at some of these technologies, including solid-state batteries, alternatives to lithium, and large-scale energy storage systems. Then on September 8th and 9th, Patxi technology will be inside the exhibition in Barcelona. I'll bring you new videos directly from the show, look for the most interesting prototypes and technologies, and try to find out which ideas are genuinely ready for the real world and which ones still have a long way to go. And if you can't be in Barcelona, I'll also be broadcasting live from the exhibition, so you'll be able to explore part of BESTE 2026 with me. So tell me in the comments, which battery or energy storage technology should I investigate first? And if you want to see these technologies before the show, follow them live from Barcelona and discover what I actually find inside BESTE 2026. Subscribe to Patxi Technology. There's much more coming.